Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Expert grill. It is a heavy duty 24-inch charcoal grill. It allows you to cook 20 burgers of the capacity. It's got 372 square inch total cooking area with a cast iron cooking grate. Alright, so right here we have our heavy duty 24-inch charcoal grill. So I'm going to open it up to show you everything that comes inside. I'm going to put it together little by little. I won't do the whole put together because that takes a bit of time. This one here has the instructions. This is 45.7 inch by 25.6 by 42.5 inch high. And it tells you that this side up to store in a cool, dry place. So we're going to go ahead and cut it open. And then take out the contents. So first off, you can see the grate on top. You do have the user manual right here. So this user manual shows you how to put it together. It is a really nice instructions. I do go by the pictures. I never read it because sometimes it could be off with the wording. So I just go by the pictures of how to install it. It tells you each part that comes along with this, and each screws are marked. They do have their letters of which area they go, so that's also shown right here in the user manual. So these are all the parts that you get. You get the legs, the bottom, the feet, the top part, the grill, you got the griddle part, and then you got the pan to get rid of the barbecue soot. Here is the legs. So this front part here has the door that's already connected. You'll just have to connect the front part. So each leg does say rear. There's RF, that means rear front, RB, rear back. So they're all marked. So what we're going to do is start putting this together. So the first thing I want to do is I want to put together the bottom parts, and I've screwed these in already. So the bottom part will look like a box, and then it will tell you to add the feet to it as well as the feet grill. So once you get these in the right position, you just tighten up these screws with a normal Phillips screwdriver. So it should look like this once you start. And then you'll need to put together the door handle. One side of it is already put together. You just need to put the actual handle to open and close where your charcoal coal goes. So now this one is screwed in. You want to make sure you get them really tight on each side. So it should look like this when you're done. And then this part here, you need to put the handle on. So it's a simple fix. You just put this right up in here, remove the washer from the back, tighten it in with a screwdriver, and then we're going to make our way to the bottom and top side. So here is the back side of the grill. Once you have it put together, you use these clips to make sure that the top doesn't come off from the back. You get two of these ones, so one on each side. I didn't want to go through all the installation process because it is a long process. It took me about 30 minutes to fully completely finish this installation. So right here you got this little pin here so it doesn't move. And then you'll have another one on the other side. You just screw this one here. So again, these are labeled. It'll tell you top and bottom. See, it says upper and bottom. Then right in this little hole right here, you want to put this little clip. It looks like a little hair clip. And as you can see on the back of the top of the burner, it says upper hinge and lower hinge. So now that everything is put together, this is the side for the smoke to come out. Now we're going to put the little side table in, which is super easy. You just use these screws right here to connect the actual screws in there for the little tabletop. You just set it up in there like this. Grab the screws that it says in the instructions manual. You screw up in the top. And then this is the last part. You just take this piece right here. It'll say top and bottom. You just screw it here on this side. Take your Phillips screwdriver and then just screw those in. So now this is the grill all set up, and then inside here we have the port where you'll put the top of the rack on there. So if you're grilling like vegetables, you want to do it on top. That's what this little piece here is for, the top part. So this does have a 2-year limited warranty. So this is all set up. It was super easy. Like I said, it took me about 30 minutes by myself. And then here's the griddle itself. And then you got the tray at the bottom. So all your set would go down there. It's easy to clean. And then this is what the top looks like. You don't got to do much to the top except for put the little handle. Right here it does have your temperature gauge, so it lets you know what the temperature is at when you're grilling your chicken, steak, or whatever you're grilling on this. So now I'm going to take it outside and give you an all-around look so you can see what it looks like when it's completed. So now this is what it looks like outside. It's completely completed. It's got the little table on the side. And then here's a grill with the little rack on the top. So I use this for my vegetables. You can open up this part right here to put your coals in there, or you can do it from the top. And then I usually just light it from the bottom part right here. So there's a handle on the side that will lift this. It'll raise it up, your fire up or down. So if you like it a little bit more crisp, you can raise it up. If you like a little distance from it, you can raise it down. So overall, this is a really nice, great barbecue grill. It looks super nice. It's got a little storage on the bottom, so if you want to put your charcoal down there, you can. And these little vents right here will give some venting for your barbecue. I would highly recommend this Expert grill. It is super nice. It's got a really big capacity. I would definitely recommend this grill.